Yeah. Woo. Before I get on the road this morning, I had to come over here and get a bucket radar, right? So y'all remember that tire on the other side that had them bust while we was trying to help carry out after the truck show. Tell me why in the world they didn't put a new valve stem on it. It was an old valve stem. Crap was crazy. So it's pretty much what I'm getting changed out right now so we can hit the road. Get down here at Glen. I got some stuff that I gotta take care of with the box. Get it Easter ready. And that's pretty much about it. So I can try to get back home tonight, man. I ain't trying to stay in Fort Pierce this weekend. So I'll turn y'all back on once we get locked and loaded and get back to the house. All right, man, we over here at Wawa's now. Try to get some gas so I can go home and go load this trailer up on this truck. Tire sensor light still on. I'm gonna check engine light came back on, y'all. I don't know what's up, but I think I'm gonna talk to Glenn about yopping off these, what is this? Nope, wrong one. Talk to Glenn about yopping off my cats on this truck, dog. I went and got diagnostics done, ran on it, the little code thing, and it's saying that cat replacement. Like, I don't know what the heck is going on, bro. It's like my second one. I mean, it's gonna make my second time going to the muffler man, which I ain't going to him to mow though, but it's gonna be my second time playing with the cat since I done had the truck. Like, I don't know what the heck is going on. Check engine light on. I don't be liking crap like that, man, but it is what it is. Just trying to get on this road. All right, y'all, so I got truck, trailer, hooked up, Melrose, they get crunk up, got a cold start on bay. Drove bay in probably about a week. That last time that well, shit, today Friday, Saturday? Good cold start on it. Boom, just like that, y'all. Y'all see what we at. Hades Motorsports. We got Cole over here. I don't know what he looking for. Camaro. Philadelphia 6.2. We got box Chevy. With the LT folk. Color match with the Forgiatos. Color match with the interior. So I see I got a brown seats up in there. It's pretty smooth though, I can't lie. Got a cold race car. Some shit on the dyno back there. Man, always got something new, man. But yeah, getting ready to turn Melrose up for Easter. Boy, Horror's looking good, boy. Horror's looking good. Got running over there off in the cut. Melrose over there up in the trailer. Pretty smooth. There ain't too much going on today. I hate Motorsports, man. So I'll turn y'all back on once we get to work. So y'all see it, man. Two-door Delp out of Fort Pierce. My boy Duke. Original miles. But let's just sit back and appreciate how crispy this man car is, dog. He the second owner of it now. Dumb crispy. My boy said, man, car ain't really running too well, dog. I ended up getting spark plug, wires, new radio. Little things changed out, man, and the car ain't really running right. So you know what he had to come, man, 80s. Said that this car was unmolested. He ended up putting the flow masters on here, so that was his first upgrade. He ended up doing a stereo, I think. Now he over here taking care of his motor work. It sounded to me like Glenn probably trying to get him the LS swap it, probably. Probably so.
Oh, man.
Y'all see him, man. Tudo dealt. I'm molested now. He dropped Flow Master. You did the CD player here?
Huh?
You did a CD player or it came with the CD player?
Yeah, it came with it.
Okay, so it came with the CD player. So pretty much the only upgrades that you did was what? Just mufflers for right now?
Yeah, just mufflers.
Mufflers, and now he at Hades, finna get that motor work right. Flying down the road. But I love Tudo Delts, man. My neighbor on Apple Road, now growing up, he had one. It was navy blue, he had a quarter top on it. Vars, clean white walls. Gotta appreciate when you find a car that's clean, man. God damn clean it is, dog. Come on, man. Oldsmobile, man. Come on, now. Look at the dash. Look at the dash. Come on, dog. You don't find them like this no more, man. Seats. Nice. Clean seats, man.
Oh, you remember what I was telling you, too? Back in the day? The Pioneer with the Dolphins and all that on it?
Okay, nah.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, nah.
I like your setup in your car, so what I'm going to do, I can't find an old radio or whatever, so
I
put that in
touch
there.
that dash, dog.
You know,
just
so
put that right up in there.
You know, like how yours is. How this in for sure with that blue, you know what I'm saying?
But I think they're going to be sticking,
Send the console down there, you know what I mean? And in the game, boom.
Look at the dash, man. Come on, bro. That dash too nasty. All original, man. And the man, those clothes so crispy. Come on. Yeah, man. Yeah, Hades right now. Finna get it right. We ain't gonna get him right. He ain't missing no fillers either. Got all his rubber. All his side trim. Bottom side trim. Come on, man. Sheesh. Love these delts, man. My boy Nelson had one back in the day, candy red, fire. You know, see a dash cover. Pfft, come on, man. Dog say you be watching my vlogs, man. Gave him motivation, gave him flowers, man. I really appreciate that. It gave me goosebumps, man, when I first talked to him. I swear for God, dog. But tell you, man, you gotta watch the vlogs, man. You build you a real nice, clean, old school, man. You ain't gotta break the bank, just change out certain things, clean up certain things. Man, you be outside. Dog outside right now. You see where you at, Hades. Just adding a little razzle dazzle to it. You wanna say anything to the channel, dog?
Hey man, this the guy right here, man. Listen, bro. This the guy right here, dog. This man inspired me, bring my car back out. Love his YouTube content.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
You know what I'm saying? Like, that what got me outside right now. You know what I'm saying? Everybody me to the shop, spend a day with him.
Come on, man. We've been up here chilling all day, dog.
Getting a lot of game about these old
chilling all day. It's hot outside, but we don't be chilling, though.
You chilling, bro. You be chilling all day, bro. I love it, dog. Love it. I love his car, man. Melrose down there, dog.
Most definitely, man.
Melrose inspired me, bro.
Can't show y'all that over there.
Bro, Melrose, dog. You feel me?
Yes, sir.
Dog, that car right there, bro. That car right there.
Bro, I seen how it was when I first got it, man. I built it like that.
Listen, bro, that car right there inspired me, dog. If I want to watch my dog YouTube channel, bro, listen, bro, my car will still be parked, bro. I'm telling you, dog. That car there gave me a lot of motivation, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
You know what I'm saying? So
that's what I do it for, dog.
Y'all already know what it is.
Most deaf. Dope, man. Varus had the same pipes on his bed, dog. Ooh. Tell him, man, I love delts. Especially Tudo's photos nasty now. And for the ones of y'all that don't know, this car right here is a sister car to the box Chevy. This is the sister car to the Tudo box, man. The photo, sister car to the ball heads, man. Then the ones with the tops, you feel me? Outa. But yeah, man, you got you a nice car here, dog. Nice clean build. Ain't missing nothing. Everything's still on here. All the trim. Original paint. Those clothes so crispy on it. Come on, man. clean car, man. Dog got Glenn getting right as we speak. Yeah, man, I'm finna get ready and take Melrose off. We're gonna leave Melrose here until Monday, and then Monday I'm gonna come and pick Melrose up. I gotta go back home. I can't wait till tomorrow. Glenn gonna be up here tomorrow, probably working on it, but he know I ain't finna come back up there to come pick up Melrose. I know Melrose in good hands, so I gotta leave him, man. Gotta leave him. Turn that thing off for Easter. Slipping, sliding across the road. Take Melrose out there to the store, go get her a little gas, man. I don't want to leave Glenn with no gas. I'm gonna dump a little gas up in Melrose. Baby looking good, man. But she dirty, but she hitting. So there y'all have it, man. I had to pump a little 50 piece inside of Melrose so Glenn can at least have something to play around with when he turn her up. She dirty right now, but you already know how Melrose still gonna hit, man. Cause I got that good clear coat on her. She hitting at all angles. I take it back to Glenn, man. Got that boy Duke in the car with me. Hitting.